There we go. Oh, missed him. Caught a fish. Oh, that's 2 that I missed. God, they don't give you much warning. Got you that time. Oh, no, I didn't. That quick, y'all. Oh, really? Is my freaking hook dull? All right, hey, what's up, everybody? Jesse with Southern Reels Fishing out in Oregon Inlet today, and just got finished pedaling. Get some pretty mean current out here. It's incoming tide right now. We're going to get out here and trap for some sheepshead with my buddy Jim today. I don't know, it's a little bit early still, but I figured we came south. The water's 10 degrees warmer here. Give it a shot, see what we can get. Resetting.
Hey, where you're at, you can be straight.
Yeah.
Get over here.
It's because it's swirling around it and like swirling right there. It's definitely not an inlet that you want to play with, folks. This is not a place for a beginner kayaker. Like right now, it's sketchy. There's big boats coming in right through. I mean, we're right in the main channel here, fishing. You know, it's an incoming wind. It's an incoming tide. It's pretty gnarly. It'll get you quick. So you see us out here catching these fish, but it's risky. We both have radios, we both have life jackets. I mean, we're prepared, and we also have a friend on shore watching us. He's fishing on the pier. So please don't come out here and try to do this if you're not experienced, because it could end very badly. There you go, I gotta change out my bottom sweeper here. She's dull, keep missing. Oh yeah, that one's sharp. Slightly bigger too. New jig, sharp hook, time to land one.
There you go.
Got him that time. Finally. Enough tries.
Little ones, they fight that little pole, you know?
I love catching these guys on this light tackle, man. It's so much fun. I hooked him good too. Got him right in the corner of the mouth. I'm trying to get away so you can get up there. It ain't working, it just sucks me right back to the pilot. Alrighty, gotta get my stuff all back together. Dang, Jim's already hooked up again. Heck yeah. Watch that current up, don't get your nose out there in that.
I know, I was like, this feels like a decent one. Yeah, just push me out.
Yeah, comes out here without a net.
I didn't think I'd catch a decent one.
Almost forgot thought he forgot his tackle. Got here,
I almost forgot my fishing pole. What are you talking about?
Oh, man, you grabbed my bag? What bag you talking about? Oh, look, you can see the piling right there. You can see the piling.
Oh, yeah?
That's good. Well, I know exactly where to drop it. Oh, Lord. I don't know what that was. I thought someone was coming off the bridge. You wouldn't want to be on the side of that piling right now, I can tell you that. Oh, look at that. He got it on the drop. That's a pretty good one.
Oh, yeah.
He caught it dropping down.
Like, nope. Gotta catch him again.
God, that water's so clear. I can see him like 10 foot. That is a good one.
Going awesome. I think you're okay. Oh, he kind of hooked him weird.
No, it's in the mouth. It's in the mouth. He just had it wrapped around. Woo! Heck yeah. That is a nice one right there. Heck yeah. Don't get all crazy on me. I got flip-flops on. He is 19. Heck yeah. Nice sheepsy. All the boats coming in. All right, y'all. Let's keep rolling with it. I picked that one up as it was dropping. Some big waves coming. Watch out. Woo-hoo. Love it. Yep, there he goes. You got it? Yep, you got it. That one was deep. That was like 25 feet.
Yeah, I think I've actually been dropping deeper too.
I think they're bigger down there too. Oh, got a little bird on this one. I have to back away a little bit. He said, I don't want to go up. It runs down. Oh yeah, it's not about the same size. It's another nice one, y'all. Heck yeah. There we go. Got him. About 25 feet on that one. Ooh, that didn't sound good. That sounded like a crack. Yo, rock and roll, boy. Heck yeah. Racking them up. Racking them up. That's number 4. And in North Carolina, you can keep 10 sheepshead, which is a lot. That's insane. Everybody looks back like, look at them guys. They ain't crazy. Oh, ramming you. That's it that time. Right when I'm trying to shift gears, and the little booger grabbed it. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, off the piling. Oh, gosh. That one was about 15. The second. Oh God, he's got some weight to him. That's a nice one. Holy crap. He's a 20.
That's good.
Bag's getting full, and I'll have to start using my stringer. And this really is an epic bite right here. I ain't gonna lie. It's good. It's good. Very welcome. Well worth the drive down here today. Luckily, the winds aren't too uncooperative. All right, we jumped over to the next piling. We'll give this a try. That was super sketchy crossing that. We're probably going to hang out here until the tide switches. So we got another hour or so. It's supposed to slow down and go back and switch over. That's probably when we'll try to head back in just to be safe. We're all right behind these pilings. That's little ones on this. That's a little guy. I hooked them good too. Look at that, right through the bottom. I couldn't have hooked that dude any better. That's the littlest sheephead I've ever caught.
I can't get these little ones.
That's
I can't get these big ones another one.
We catch a couple more of these, we don't have to go back.
Yeah, I know.
That guy's tiny. Watch out, coming in tight. I think that's another little one. Yeah, one of the little guys over here. All right, so we came back. Another piling. Turns out that was the nursery. Oh. See, we just had to leave for a minute. Come back. That looks like a good one. Heck yeah, brother. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, man. Oh, doubled up. Oh, I got a small one there. It's small, but he's a keeper. Heck yeah, boy. Come back and doubled right up, you guys. Yeah. Yeah, they're on the pilings now.
Not much better eating than the sheepshead.
Yes, sir.
How big is that one?
He's keeper. He's maybe 16. Got one, two. That one piling right there is on fire.
Yeah, we definitely can't use this thing back home. You catch one sheep and that's it.
Oh, the jigs. You just gotta sharpen them. Imagine this place when the coefficient's like a 90 or 100.
Oh my god.
It'd be deadly, man. That's when people come out here and get in trouble. They don't know how to check that shit. All right, y'all, we had a good day out here on the water. Oregon Inlet delivered. Peace out, guys. I'm tired. We're hungry. See you in the next video.